Let's say Instagram is telling you that we limit how often you do certain things on Instagram. So let's see why it getting. So Instagram sometimes limit what the things you do on Instagram. Let's say they might think that your account is spam, or otherwise the massive commenting or the massive liking and the bulk following or the followers of you, and they might be limited your things on Instagram. They will do that. And if you need to get out of that, all you can do is that you can tap on your profile, go to the three lines. You can scroll all the way to find logout. And if you log out and log into your Instagram, sometimes it will solve your problem. Or otherwise, you can go to your settings, scroll to the apps, and if you scroll, you can find Instagram. Here it is. And there you can do is that you can clear all your data, and again you can uninstall and reinstall this app, and that will be removed, and you can do certain things, and you can't allowed to do spam or any of the things that might Instagram will limit your account. Thank you.